Yujiro Hanma, also known as the Ogre, is the main antagonist of Baki the Grappler series, as well as the father of Baki Hanma. Yujiro is the most dangerous and strongest character in the story, capable of many inhuman physical acts. Before the birth of Baki Hanma or his older half-brother Jack Hanma, born of Emi Akazawa and Diane Neo respectively, his might had already gained the reputation of being that of a superhuman as he single-handedly defeated the US military during the Vietnam War at the young age of 16. He had neglected Baki from a young age and considers both Baki's body and attachment to such ideas as mercy and friendship to be weak. Yujiro is known for being an amoral maniac who performs the darkest of acts, being capable of murdering many without remorse. Multiple scenes before the birth of Jack Hanma depict him slaughtering whole waves of soldiers, often bending their guns in a sadistic display of might before killing them. Yujiro is an extremely well-built man standing around 6 feet 3 inches and weighing about 265 pounds or 190 centimeters and 120 kilograms. His neck is exceptionally thick even compared to the rest of the fighters, rivaling Pickle and Yuikairu, and his legs are extensionally long. Yujiro has red wavy hair, thick black eyebrows, and red eyes, brown in Baki 2018 and 2020 anime series. Although Yujiro isn't as tall and so over-muscular as some other characters and has a more athletic frame, vast shoulders, chest area, and somehow, less or at least slimmer legs. Despite that, his body is still trained to the utmost limit. His abnormal back muscles take the shape of a demon when he gets serious in a fight. He is usually shown wearing his signature dark red shirt and pants in the anime and black shirt and pants in the manga, though he is also shown wearing a black shirt and pants in the anime's 3rd season. He almost always wears a type of Chinese-style shoes. During his first meeting with Muhammad Ali, he was dressed in blacktop, green military pants, and loose sandals. Most of the time, he is seen with a cold, stoic expression. Even as a teenager, he already had his impressive height and was very muscular, though not as later. He wore a soldier outfit consisting of green military cargo pants without a top and boots, and a green bandana. He later adopts a ponytail for a short while, eventually leading to his present hairstyle. Yujiro's appearance can be likened to an ogre or lion. Yujiro is a fierce and arrogant man. He shows no mercy towards anybody, as he views mercy as a weak trait. Yujiro is also emotionally manipulative. This can be seen in his relationships with his son and Emi Akazawa. For example, he seemingly lives only to fight and cause destruction to anything and everything he can. His whole life and mindset are dedicated to nothing but fighting and growing stronger with each person he defeats, sometimes killing them. He tends to kill people if pushed or enraged enough and does not show care or remorse when doing so. He will also kill for pleasure or satisfaction when he feels like it. He has a deep resentment for the weak and does not even think it's worth killing them. He desires his son Baki to become strong like him, so he can enjoy a challenging fight with him as if Baki is a toy to him. He is also unexpectedly silent and stoic most of the time. The author of the Baki manga stated that he created Yujiro inspired by Matsudaira Sakaguchi, the main character of Notari Matsudaira manga series. His appearance at debut was based on Matt Dillon. However, his appearance in later parts of the manga appears to take after Paul Stanley. He also stated that he had numerous other children besides Baki and Jack but seemed to be not important.